What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the top 5 high-paying work from home jobs that you can utilize to make money in 2018. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. So yeah guys, the websites I'm going to show you guys aren't in any specific order, but you can actually leverage each one of these websites to actually start generating an income online from the comfort of your home. Now, the sites I'm going to show you guys, you're going to have to trade time for money for. So if you're looking to actually make some passive income, then feel free to subscribe below because I'm going to be posting a lot of content related to affiliate marketing and making money online. So if you're interested in that, feel free to subscribe below. But yeah, guys, obviously the first website I recommend for you guys is actually Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, you guys may be wondering, what's Amazon Mechanical Turk? Well, this is actually a site that actually pays people to actually look at little details in other websites, and they pay you to fix small details, such as, looking at websites, seeing if there's any mistakes there. You can see how they're built and analyze the pictures on a certain page. But it's a pretty cool website, and I'm going to show you guys a little more in depth into it. So Amazon Mechanical Turk operates as a marketplace for work that requires human intelligence. Okay, so they actually need the help of human beings to do this, and it shows a little bit of details further down. And so what you can get paid to do is image video processing, and you can review images, audit user images, tag objects in an image to improve advertising, data verification, information gathering. So all sorts of technical stuff that they need the help of humans to do. So pretty cool website. If you're looking to look more into it, it's called www.mturk.com. And that's the first website you can actually make money from, that people can hire you to actually work from home to do this. And you can make actually a decent amount of money doing this. All you have to do is, you can see you could just get started right there for Amazon Mechanical Turk. And so yeah, pretty much you just deal with all sorts of tech stuff regarding websites, reviewing certain images, and all that good stuff to help with people's presence online. So the next website I would recommend for you guys is called Micro Workers. And essentially what you do is pretty similar stuff here. You can see you take surveys, evaluate people's personalities, think questions for chatbots, all sorts of tech stuff. And you also have to look at mistakes made in like search engines like Google or Bing. And you pretty much just find different errors in search engines, and pretty much you report certain flaws you see, and you get paid just by doing that. So pretty cool stuff you can do from the comfort of your computer. So yeah guys, microworkers.com is what I recommend, as well as Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now this one's www.mturk.com. So definitely two websites I recommend. Now the third website I recommend is actually udemy.com. And this is actually a website that allows you to sell digital products such as courses, and pretty much you sell your information that you already know with your knowledge and make a product out of that. So pretty cool website right here, and you can see the different categories here. So if you're good at web development, if you're good at IT tech stuff, it's not just centered around, online stuff. You can also do health and fitness, academics, language. So it's a very versatile website that you can actually sell your own online course for. And you can actually monetize it by posting it on udemy.com. And so after you post it on here, that's how you get paid from your actual online product. So Udemy is definitely a great website, and you could see here that they have people actually rate the products here. And so, obviously the better product you have, the more people are going to buy your product. And that can also affect the price that you sell it for. So, you could see here that these original prices for these courses are like $200. And so all of them are averaging around $10.99. But yeah, guys, you can actually make your own fully automated digital product and sell on udemy.com. And you're going to be able to make money selling it on Udemy. So that's the third website I recommend you guys check out. And the fourth website I recommend if you're looking to work from home is actually justanswer.com. Now, this one is actually where you apply to actually become an expert. So you can see here that you can apply to be a lawyer, you can apply to be a mechanic, you can apply to be a doctor. And so this is where artificial intelligence comes into play, where you actually are pretty much the expert. People ask these questions here, and what you essentially do is just answer people's questions, concerns, and you're going to be known as the expert in whatever field you choose. And you actually get paid just to actually answer questions that you already know about, because you already know how your industry works. So you can see here that, how it works. Ask a question, verify doctors, lawyers, vets, mechanics. Answer your question online or by phone. You can connect in minutes, and you save time and money. So pretty cool, guys, the opportunities you can actually leverage to make money online. So this one's called justanswer.com, and you can see here that, you know, people ask questions like, on my 2014 Jeep Cherokee, after a windshield replacement, the metal button fell off the windshield. And so obviously that's for like a mechanic to answer. And yeah, guys, people actually get paid just to answer questions and concerns that people have regarding whatever problems they're facing, whether it's with their pets, whether it's with their cars, whether it's with their personal well-being. People hire experts in whatever industry they need help in. So this is a great website if you already have a specialty or a skill that you're already good at, such as maybe if you were a mechanic in the past, maybe if you are in a finance, then you can check it out at Just Answer and get paid to share your knowledge. So that's the fourth web. The fifth one, and this is more so for people that have an expertise in, you know, online business or helping businesses with their digital presence. So this site's called Automatic, and you can see that their slogan is, "We are passionate about making the web a better place." And so you can just hit work with us right here on the top right corner, and you can see that people actually get hired. I'm going to scroll down a bit, and here's the different kinds of jobs that they offer on this website. So let's see here. You can see they hire people for coding, they hire data engineers, business data engineers, senior web designers, all sorts of tech savvy people that are looking to get paid to work from home. So you know, they have a wide variety of different positions you can apply. Partner manager for WooCommerce Marketplace, business development, wrangler. So all sorts of online jobs you can apply for to make money online from your home. So pretty cool website right here. And this one's called automatic.com. And so, yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you guys these top 5 websites that you can actually work from home from and apply for if you're looking to make a part to even full-time income from the comfort of your house. So, yeah, guys, I just wanted to these you can utilize to make money. So, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, guys, take care. Stumbling through the sky.